Thank you, everyone. I'm very honored to join the conference, and thanks to Dr. Khalid, a very warm invitation to join the conference, and thanks to UCP and the colleagues and the students here to join the conference. I'm very happy to share my research ideas. I'm Dr. Xiaoqing Xie from China University of Geosciences. Because in my university, the major of geosciences is a very good major and very famous in the worldwide. It is ranked the fifth in the world. So this is why my university named the China University of Geosciences. In China, we have two this kind of university. One is located in capital of Beijing city. One is located in Wuhan city. Our university is the main body of this university about the major of geosciences. And except this major, we have different major in the university. I'm also working in the School of Public Administration. And at the same time, I'm the director of CPEC Research Center. And I remember from the year of 2014, I started to visit Pakistan and cooperated with Pakistani scholars from different universities. So this is the first time I visited visit UCP. So I feel very honored. Thank you very much. Today I share my research idea in the topic of research on the challenges and the countermeasures of contemporary democracy from a multi-dimensional perspective. The contents include introduction, second, the development process and the core values of contemporary democracy. The third, multi-dimensional challenges faced by contemporary democracy. The fifth, strategies for responding to the challenges of contemporary democracy. The last conclusion. At first, introduction, with the continuous deepening of globalization, democracy as a political concept and institutional model has become a widely pursued and respected value goal worldwide. Looking back through the long river of history, the development of democracy has undergone a long evolutionary process, from the direct democracy in ancient Athens to the representative democracy in modern society. Its forms and connotations have been continuously enriched and expanded. In modern society, democracy protects citizens' rights, promotes social fairness and justice, maintains political stability, and facilitates economic development. However, with the rapid development of the times and profound social changes, contemporary democracy faces severe challenges. Traditional research on democracy from a single political perspective is no longer sufficient to reveal the complex problems it faces fully. Therefore, a comprehensive and systematic analysis from multiple dimensions, namely political, social, economics, and the culture has become an inevitable choice to deeply understand the dilemmas of contemporary democracy and explore practical solutions. The second, the development process and the core values of contemporary democracy. At first, the historic evolution of democracy. The origin of democracy can be traced back to the direct democracy system in ancient Athens. The democracy in this period emphasizes the direct participation of citizens, embodying the original democratic concept. From ancient times to the present, the forms of democracy have been constantly evolving, and its connotations have been continuously enriched, gradually forming a relatively complete political system. Then the second, the core value of democracy. In modern society, democracy has multiple core values. First, democracy is the cornerstone for protecting citizens' rights. Secondly, democracy contributes to promoting social affairs and justice. Moreover, democracy is an important guarantee for maintaining political stability. Finally, democracy also promotes economic development. Then the third, multidimensional challenges faced by contemporary democracy. At first, changes in the political dimension. At first, the alienation of electoral politics. In contemporary democratic elections, the electoral process has gradually evolved into a political show and the resource competition among candidates and interest groups behind them. And secondly, the polarization of party politics. In many countries, to gain political power, political parties overemphasize their own political stances. Then challenges in the social dimension. Firstly, it exacerbates social inequality. Although democratic systems aim to promote social fairness, in reality, the problem of social inequality in contemporary society is becoming increasingly severe. The aggravation of social inequality has undermined the value of equality that democratic systems advocate. Then secondly, identity conflict. With the development of globalization and the acceleration of population mobility, social diversity has been continuously increasing, and identity conflicts among ethnic, racial, religious, and cultural groups have become increasingly prominent. Then the third, challenges in the economic dimension. Firstly, the impact of economic globalization. While economic globalization has promoted the development of the world economy, it has also brought many challenges to democratic system. The global layout of multinational corporations has led to the concentration of economic power. In order to maximize profits, these multinational corporations often seek production and business locations with the lowest cost worldwide, resulting in industrial hollowing out in many countries and many workers losing their jobs. In addition, the increased interdependence of national economies due to economic globalization means that a country's economic policies are not only affected by domestic factors, but also restricted by the international economic situation and the policies of other countries. Then secondly, challenges posed by new economic models. The rise of new economic models represented by the digital economy and artificial intelligence has brought new challenges to democratic systems. Then challenges in the cultural dimension. Firstly, the influence of postmodernist thought. The postmodernist thought has challenged the traditional values and authorities. In the field of democracy, it questions the universality and the certainty of democratic systems. And then secondly, cultural hegemony and cultural conflicts. In the context of globalization, the phenomenon of cultural hegemony still exists. Cultural conflicts have made the spread and the development of democracy face more complexity and uncertainty. Then strategies for responding to the challenges of contemporary democracy. At first, optimization at the political level. First, improving the electoral system. Then second, promoting party cooperation and consultation. The second, improvements at the social level. First, promoting the construction of social fairness. Then promoting the integration of diverse cultures and the social integration. The third, judgments at the economic level. At first, strengthening economic sovereignty and regulation. Then adapting to the development of new economic models. Then guidance at the cultural level. First, reshaping democratic values. The second, advocating cultural equality and exchange.
Excuse me, ma'am, you have 3 more minutes.
Okay, conclusion. Contemporary democracy faces severe challenges from multiple dimensions, including politics, social, economic, and cultural, in the context of globalization and the rapid social changes. These changes are intervened and influence each other, posing a serious threat to the stable operation and the development of democratic systems. Therefore, conducting a systematic analysis from a multi-dimensional perspective is of great practical significance. Thanks.